What's the most important trait that you select for when buying a bull? Do you look at the growth EPDs like weaning weight or yearling weight? You may look at carcass traits. Or maybe you're hung up on price, looking for a bargain in the midst of an all-time high cattle market. Here's something to think about. How about a bull that produces live calves? Now, I know that seems like a no-brainer, and there is no EPD for that, but there's nothing worse at calving time than dead calves. Pharo always says the weaning weights for dead calves are distressingly low. I became a PCC customer 13 years ago specifically for calving ease. I was out to prove that Pharo was full of hot air about his guaranteed calving ease bulls. I bought 2 bulls and put them out with 60 head of heifers. The next spring I stayed up all night so I'd be ready to pull calves like usual, but I never had to. I just watched as they laid down and calved all alone. I also saw that the calves were not stressed, encouraged them to get up and suck immediately. That resulted in healthier calves and heifers that quickly learned to be good moms. The only thing I didn't like was feeling stupid for doing things the hard way all those years. I'm not going to tell you that we never have calving problems, but it's so rare that I now sleep through the night during calving season. This morning I found 2 first calf heifers with live calves that have already been up and sucked without any help. That makes everybody happy, especially the bookkeeper. By the way, those guaranteed calving ease bulls turned out to be the thickest, easiest keeping bulls I've ever had. I'm not saying that calving ease is the most important trait, but producing a live calf seems to be toward the top of the list. I'll see you next time on the Herd Quitter Minute.